These white blooming trees you are seeing now in the northern US are Bradford pear trees. And although they are pretty and one of the first blooming trees in the spring, there are 5 reasons why you may not want them in your yard. Number 1. Even though they are called pear trees, they do not produce the big pears that people eat. Instead, they produce a ton of small fruit that birds and squirrels eat. Number 2. They are very invasive. Their seeds sprout very easily, and since animals eat the fruit, they also spread very easy. Number 3. They have very sharp and very hard thorns on their branches that will definitely tear your skin when you brush off of them just walking by. Number 4. Some people claim the flowers smell offensive, although this probably depends on the variety. And number 5. People also claim their branches break easily. I'm not sure about number 4 and 5, but I do guarantee number 1, 2, and 3 are very true.